the stock market. Now, we finally got our down move. We've been saying this for many weeks now, how the SPX is completely overextended and had really no technical reason for being as high as it was. Therefore, from a technical standpoint, we had to be saying, hey, we're negative bias, we're negative bias, we're negative bias for the last couple of weeks. Well, it finally came to fruition last week. A breakdown to the bottom of this channel here, this white channel that you see, or to our I call it a mid price pattern, would have been completely normal, and we dropped right down to that level, and we held it for 3 days. Now, had we reversed this point, that would have been a sign that we would continue our extreme bullishness going forward, because that's a very steep channel, and again, we were very overextended in our longer term time frames. So it's not too surprising that we got this breakdown. I think I talked about this last week. If we were to break down from this level, it would probably be fairly aggressive and nasty, and it was.